Learn how to add new members to your project by following these step-by-step instructions for Catenda Hub. From adding members to creating teams, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. Add one or more members. Access the project settings here. Click here on Members. To add one or more new members, click on the plus button at the top right. Click on Email Address. Enter the email address of the user to add to the project. If it appears in the drop-down menu, you can select it. You must then choose the role of the future user, member or administrator. You have the option to assign the user to an existing team. In this example, the user is assigned to Team BIM Manager. Then click Add. Repeat the previous steps to add another member. Finally, click Send Invites. Added users will receive an invitation email to join the project. Create a new team and assign a member to it. Return to the Members section. Click the drop-down menu to the right of the plus button. Click on New Team. Choose a role for the new team, member or administrator. Users added to this team will be reassigned their role based on the team's role. Enter a name for the new team. Click on the Create button. Once the new team is created, you can add a member to it. To do this, click the drop-down menu in the Members section. Start filling in the first and last name of an existing member in the project. Select a member to add from the suggestions in the drop-down menu. Then click on the Add button. The selected member has been added to the newly created team. This guide has explained how to efficiently add new members to your project on Catenda. From member selection to invitations to team creation, you're now ready to optimally manage your team.